Picture this. Total grid collapse, communications are completely dead, the roads are completely gridlocked, and you have exactly 3 minutes to throw your gear together and evaporate into the woodline before your neighborhood turns into an absolute hornet's nest. In a real-world, high-stress survival scenario, nobody is checking your spreadsheet of premium match-grade accessories. The only thing that matters is whether you have a centerfire or rimfire barrel group tucked away, out of sight, ready to punch paper or harvest game when there is zero backup coming. Most guys make the fatal mistake of packing a massive 24-inch heavy-barreled tactical platform that screams target to every desperate soul on the highway. We are changing the entire survival calculus today. I am sitting down on the range with 10 of the absolute most engineering sound, highly covert takedown tools ever fielded. Weapons that completely disappear into an ordinary day pack but deploy into full-scale, hard-hitting long guns before a threat can even close the distance. Number 10, Ruger 10-22 Takedown. When you look at the landscape of rimfire platforms, there is one undisputed king that has earned its stripes in the hands of millions of American shooters, and that is the legendary Ruger 10-22 Action. But when they built the dedicated takedown model, they turned a classic plinker into an absolute survival powerhouse. The engineering here is incredibly simple yet completely bulletproof. With a simple pull of a recessed lever underneath the forend and a quick twist, the entire 14-inch barrel assembly snaps completely free from the receiver group. You can literally toss this setup into a standard backpack and forget it is even there. Now, the real magic of choosing this platform for a worst-case scenario comes down to logistics and massive aftermarket support. Because there are millions of these rifles out there, sourcing parts, high-capacity 25-round factory magazines, and optics mounts is incredibly easy. If you want to take this build to the absolute limit, you swap the factory furniture out for a Magpul X22 backpacker stock. That aftermarket setup lets you snap the detached barrel piece directly into a cutout in the stock assembly, creating a single, completely locked polymer brick that protects your chamber and muzzle from dirt and impact while traveling. The semi-automatic blowback system is lightning fast, incredibly reliable, and cycles virtually every single brand of .22 LR ammunition you can scavenge. From heavy subsonic lead round nose to high-velocity copper-plated hollow points, this platform just eats. It gives you the capability to quietly harvest small game or defend a perimeter without the massive acoustic signature or crushing weight of a standard centerfire rifle. Ruger even ships this setup with a dedicated, heavy-duty nylon backpack case outfitted with internal pockets for extra magazines and a suppressor, making it a turnkey survival solution right out of the box. Number 9, Smith & Wesson M&P FPC in 10mm auto. Moving away from the rimfire world, if your primary survival strategy demands a hard-hitting centerfire round wrapped in an incredibly tight package, this next platform completely redefines what a truck gun can do. We are looking at the Smith & Wesson M&P folding pistol caliber carbine chambered in the devastating 10mm auto. Now, a lot of guys are familiar with the original 9mm version, but stepping up to the 10mm cartridge completely changes the terminal ballistics when shooting out of a long gun. You get full centerfire rifle velocities out of a 16¼ barrel, maximizing the flat shooting potential of that heavy bullet. The mechanical design here is brilliant. Instead of gapping the receiver like a traditional takedown, this carbine uses a side-folding hinge mechanism that snaps the handguard horizontally along the right side of the stock assembly. When it is locked open, the lockup is as rigid as a standard fixed rifle, but when you hit that release latch, it completely collapses down to just a hair over 16 inches in total length. What makes this an absolute masterpiece for long-term logistics is the built-in magazine storage, right inside the stock polymer assembly. The grip itself utilizes standard 15-round M&P handgun magazines, and you can securely clip 2 additional full-size spares right into the stock skeleton, giving you 45 rounds of heavy-duty firepower mounted directly on the weapon at all times. To handle the aggressive bolt velocity of the 10mm round, Smith & Wesson integrated a heavy tungsten-infused buffer system inside the buffer tube assembly, which drastically tames the recoil impulse and prevents the parts where you typically see on cheap blowback designs. It is fully optics ready with a continuous top Picatinny rail and features full M-lock slots along the handguard for running dedicated weapon lights or target designators. Number 8, Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Gen 2. We have an absolute staple of the American prepper community, a platform that has spent years proving its absolute reliability in the mud, dust, and deep backcountry. This is the Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Generation 2, chambered in the universally available 9mm Luger cartridge. While the market is flooded with heavy, complicated piston systems, Kel-Tec kept this machine completely streamlined, using a straight blowback operating system housed inside a durable Zytel polymer and steel receiver shell. The core appeal of the Generation 2 build is its vertical folding design. By simply pulling down on the trigger guard assembly, the entire barrel group pivots upward and backward, locking directly onto the top of the buttstock assembly. It cuts the overall length completely in half, dropping down to just 16¼ inches, allowing it to drop into the smallest concealed compartment or laptop case without anyone knowing you are carrying a long gun. The Gen 2 variant brought massive upgrades over the original model, specifically adding a threaded barrel for running suppressors, an adjustable buttstock to dial in your length of pull, and integrated Picatinny rails on the top and bottom of the forend. But the real tactical advantage here is the interchangeable magazine catch system. You can configure this carbine to feed directly from standard Glock 17 or Glock 19 magazines. That means if you are already carrying a standard secondary sidearm on your battle belt, your rifle and your pistol utilize the exact same feeding source, streamlining your kit and eliminating the need to pack multiple proprietary magazine setups when space is at an absolute premium. Number 7. Springfield St. Victor 308 Takedown. Now, if your definition of survival includes absolute stopping power at extended ranges, you cannot rely on traditional low recoil cartridges. You step completely into battle rifle territory with a weapon configured to absolute perfection. This is the Springfield Armory St. Victor, chambered in the devastating 308 Winchester, specifically modified with a premium quick-detach barrel system. Most 308 platforms are heavy, punishingly long, and completely impossible to store discreetly, but this build completely breaks that mold. The mechanical core of this rifle utilizes a highly specialized locking collar assembly right at the receiver junction. With a simple quarter-turn movement, the entire handguard, gas tube, and match-grade barrel assembly detach completely from the upper receiver. It takes a full-size semi-automatic thumper and collapses it down into 2 distinct subcomponents that easily fit side by side inside a standard tactical pack. Because the gas block and tube stay permanently attached to the barrel group, you face zero alignment issues when reassembling the platform in the field. Springfield engineered this configuration with a heavy-duty, multi-port muzzle brake that aggressively redirects gases to tame the massive recoil impulse of the 308 round, ensuring you can pull off lightning-fast follow-up shots without losing your sight picture. The bolt carrier group is treated with a premium nickel boron coating to resist corrosion and parts wear during extended periods of hard deployment without fresh lubrication. It gives you true 600-yard capability, massive barrier penetration, and stopping power that easily handles large predators or complex security threats, completely changing the game for wilderness survival logistics. Number 6, Magpul Zev Technologies FDP9. Shifting gears entirely from long-range power to the absolute ultimate manifestation of deep, covert concealment, this next platform looks like something pulled completely from a high-tech clean room. We are talking about the long-awaited folding pistol package, the FDP9, engineered through a direct collaboration between Magpul and Zev Technologies. This machine does not just pack away into a bag. It literally disguises itself as an inanimate object. When fully stowed, the entire firearm collapses into a completely sealed, smooth, polymer box measuring roughly 11 by 5 inches. It features 0 exposed triggers, charging handles, or barrel extensions, completely eliminating any printing or visual tells that you are carrying an advanced defensive tool. The mechanical transformation here is smooth. By pressing down on the integrated charging handle release latch, a heavy-duty internal spring tension system instantly deploys the weapon, unfolding the stock, pistol grip, and main receiver into a unified, ultra-compact personal defense weapon in under a single second. Mechanically, the heart of this beast is built directly on the ultra-reliable Zev OZ9 internal chassis system, utilizing Generation 5 Glock internals, ensuring complete parts, availability, and utter reliability. All critical steel components are treated with a heavy black nitride finish to withstand total environmental exposure without rust. Despite its incredibly small footprint when deployed, the 7-inch match-grade barrel yields impressive velocity gains for standard 9mm rounds, allowing skilled shooters to confidently ring steel targets all the way out to 200 yards. It operates from standard high-capacity Glock double-stack magazines, making it the quietest, most fluid, and incredibly discreet close-quarters survival weapon money can buy. Number 5, Henry AR-7 US Survival. When you lean completely into pure, unadulterated wilderness survival utility, there is one vintage American design that belongs in every emergency kit, and that is the Henry AR-7 U.S. Survival Rifle. Originally engineered for military pilots downed in remote territory, this platform completely removes the need for separate storage bags or padded compartments. The entire mechanical footprint of the firearm, including the receiver group, the 16-inch barrel assembly, and 2 full 8-round magazines, completely detaches without a single tool and packs directly inside the hollow chamber of the impact-resistant polymer buttstock. Once everything is tucked inside and the heavy rubber butt cap is sealed shut, the entire package becomes completely waterproof and actually floats on open water. It weighs a microscopic 3.5 pounds, meaning you can drop it into a canoe, a truck toolbox, or a bug-out bag and never feel a tracking weight penalty. The action utilizes a very simple, time-tested blowback, semi-automatic system chambered in .22 LR. While it is not designed to be a high-speed tactical weapon, it handles rapid follow-up shots beautifully when you are hunting small game to keep yourself alive. The top of the steel-lined receiver features an integrated rail for small optics, though you want to stick to the factory iron sights if you plan on quickly storing the pieces back inside the floating stock shell. For less than $300, it represents absolute peace of mind in a package that takes up zero usable space. Number 4. FoldAR in 223 Wylde. If you refuse to sacrifice the standard ergonomics and massive defensive capability of America's favorite rifle platform, you step away from traditional takedowns and look at the cutting edge of defensive engineering. This is the FoldAR carbine chambered in the highly accurate 223 Wylde specification. The major issue with old-school Takedown AR-15 configurations is that separating the upper and lower receivers leaves your delicate bolt assembly and internal trigger parts exposed to dirt and debris while packed away. FoldAR completely solved this issue by building a heavy-duty, patented locking hinge system right into the barrel extension assembly itself. With this configuration, the upper and lower receivers stay permanently pinned together, maintaining total mechanical connection. You simply pull a heavy steel shut lever on the handguard, and the entire barrel assembly swings completely back along the left side of the receiver. When fully collapsed, this centerfire powerhouse measures less than 18 inches in total length, sliding perfectly into standard low-profile bags. Deploying the weapon is incredibly fast. You swing the handguard forward until the lockup clicks into place, engage the retention lever, drop the bolt carrier group, and you are ready to fire. Because it features a premium 223 Wylde chambering, it safely handles both ultra-common 5.56 NATO duty ammunition and precision civilian 223 Remington loads with maximum accuracy and zero safety risk. It features premium Magpul CTR furniture for instant length of pull adjustability, giving you full-sized infantry rifle ballistics in a footprint that hides in plain sight. Number 3. Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Gen 3 in 5.7. Now, if you love the ultra-compact footprint of a folding pistol caliber carbine, but you want to completely eliminate the heavy bullet drop and limited range of a standard 9mm round, Kel-Tec completely changed the game with this build. They took their updated Generation 3 platform and chambered it in the high-velocity, armor-piercing pedigree of the 5.7 by 28mm cartridge. This round flies incredibly flat, easily extending your effective defensive engagement range out past the 100-yard mark with absolute precision. Mechanically, the massive engineering breakthrough on the Generation 3 variant is the redesigned twisting forend assembly. On the older models, if you mounted a premium red dot optic to the top rail, you could not fold the gun in half without hitting the glass. With this new layout, the entire handguard rotates a full 90 degrees as you initiate the fold, allowing the carbine to collapse completely flat with your optics and weapon lights still securely attached. When it is fully collapsed, it drops down to a mere 16.25 inches in total length, weighing a feather-light 4.3 pounds unloaded. It features a fast 1 in 7 barrel twist rate to stabilize high-velocity rounds and ships with a factory-threaded muzzle right out of the box for instant suppressor integration. Best of all, it feeds directly from standard 20-round FN57 handgun magazines, giving you perfect cross-platform compatibility with your primary defensive sidearm. Number 2, TNW Firearms ASR Survival Rifle. If your ultimate survival plan demands absolute mechanical versatility above everything else, you look at a platform designed from day one to conquer total supply chain disruption. This is the TNW Firearms ASR Survival Rifle. While most platforms pin you down to a single cartridge choice for life, this rimfire and centerfire machine can be completely converted between 9 entirely different chamberings, including 9mm, 45 ACP, 10mm, and even 357 SIG. By quickly swapping out the barrel assembly, the bolt head, and the modular magazine, well, you can adapt your long gun to fire whatever common pistol ammunition you manage to scavenge in the field. The barrel utilizes a heavy-duty external locking nut right at the face of the receiver, allowing you to unscrew the entire front assembly in seconds without a single tool for ultra-compact storage inside a bug-out bag. TNW engineered the modular magazine housing to feed directly from standard Glock double-stack magazines, which gives you instant access to the most common, hyper-durable feeding source on the planet. The upper receiver is machined out of a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum, housing a rugged blowback action that requires minimal oiling to function perfectly in freezing cold or blistering heat. It is a completely modular survival tool that ensures you will never be left defenseless just because your primary caliber went out of stock. Number 1. Rossi USA Tuffy 4010. When you strip away all the tactical trends, complex mechanics, and heavy storage accessories, the ultimate survival philosophy comes down to total simplicity and absolute weight reduction. That brings us to our number 1 pick, the Rossi USA Tuffy 4010 single-shot shotgun. This break-action tool completely handles the absolute worst environmental abuse because it features minimal moving parts to break or jam down in the dirt. But the real engineering miracle here is the physical footprint. The entire shotgun weighs a jaw-dropping 2 pounds, 14.5 ounces. You can unscrew the front sling swivel stud completely by hand, which instantly releases the polymer forend and separates the full-size barrel cleanly from the receiver frame. The entire configuration splits completely in half, sliding easily into a day pack or emergency kit without a single ounce of wasted space. Rossi went a step further to maximize wilderness logistics by transforming the polymer thumbhole stock into a dedicated onboard ammunition station, integrating left and right side shell retention clips that securely hold up to 8 rounds of 2.5 or 3-inch 4010 bore shells right on the gun body. The 4010 cartridge is an absolute sleeper for emergency deployment, delivering low recoil, high-density patterns that make harvesting birds, small game, or basic close quarters security tasks completely effortless for any member of the family. It is an affordable, feather-light, and entirely bulletproof baseline survival tool that performs perfectly when everything else fails. Look, at the end of the day, survival is not about buying the flashiest piece of hardware you see on a glossy magazine cover. It is about cold, hard, mechanical reliability and streamlined logistics when you are completely on your own out in the backcountry. Any one of these packable machines will give you a massive tactical advantage when the world decides to turn upside down, but only if you actually put the repetitions in, master the takedown mechanics, and cache your ammunition wisely. I want to hear from the heavy hitters in the community. Which one of these platforms are you tossing into your primary bug out kit when the dark day finally comes?